The Reddit rebellion is shining a light on the vast number of Americans not invested in the stock market. And Robert Frank joins us now on more with that story. Robert.
Good morning, Andrew. Well, the burst of populism that we're seeing right now in all this stock trading is partly driven by a stock market that continues to benefit a select group of investors and leaving most Americans behind. Now, according to recent data from the Federal Reserve, the top 10% of Americans now own 88% of all corporate equity and mutual fund shares. That is among the highest shares on record and actually above the pre-pandemic levels. Now, it looks like the peak for broad American stock ownership was back in 2002 when 67% of Americans said they owned stock. Now, about half of all Americans don't even have any participation in the stock market or own any shares, even if you include retirement accounts. Now, the concentration is especially high at the very top. The top 1% now owning more than half of all stocks. They gained over $6 trillion in wealth from those stocks since March. Now, generationally, today's millennials are also lagging behind. The median value of their stock holdings is about a third less than Gen Xers at the same stage in life. Now, if you look at the disparities along racial lines, those are even worse. Stock ownership by Black and Hispanic households now about half of white households, Andrew. And, the risk here is that if a lot of these new traders don't survive these trades, rather than democratizing the market, which is the hope, we could actually lose an entire generation of traders and go backwards.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.